Alright guys, so once we discuss all these slides and now we need to install the Angular app, the very first Angular application. So for that you need to have the two things. The first one, you need to have the node.js installed in your system, and I'm using the Visual Studio Code as my text editor. So I already have installed the node.js, so I'm not going to install that. You just simply click on the recommended version or the current version. It's all up to you, but I prefer that you use the current version. It's fine, right? And you can also install the Visual Studio Code for your text editor, and it's a very powerful, very good, built by the Microsoft. It's providing you a lot of snippet extensions, and we will install some of them, but I prefer you to just simply click on the download and you can install the Visual Studio Code. So I'm also using the Git Bash, which is the if you just visit the git-scm.com, which provide you the but it's actually very similar to the command line and the CMD which you have. If you ever use CMD like command prompt, it's just similar to that, but it provides you a lot of other features, and it also provides you the GUI features and many other different good stuff for that. It's a version control project, and it provides you a lot of features like you can push and pull your code. And many of you, if you're not aware of that, that's okay, that's not fine, that's not the video for the Git, but I prefer you to install that, because once you are just creating the components and services and modules, so it really provides you a nice feature to install through that. So I recommend that just install through that git-scm.com and just click on the download button to install. So I have all those three softwares, all those three things installed in my system. So let's get started. And for that, I'm going to create a very new folder. So I'm going to create a new folder here and set that to be Angular app. All right, so inside the Angular app, I right click on it, and there is written that Git Bash here. So there you see I have a Git Bash here. So inside the desktop, my Angular app. So for the installation, I just simply need to do npm install. npm is the node package manager to install the packages for the Angular application, and -g for global, that it will install anywhere in my system. At the rate, then we use the at the rate angular / CLI. That want to take some time to install, so I'm just going to pause this video and we'll get back. Alright guys, so now I've installed the Angular CLI through npm install. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to create the name of the application. So for that, I just simply type ng new for the new, and name of the application in my case is just similar to the name of my folder, is to be Angular app. Alright, so that want to take some time. I want to be back very soon.